Welcome to a video by the internet retailer.co.uk, and today we're looking at the Varilight J series JQP401W LED dimmer light switch, trailing edge dimmer, suitable for all dimmable loads including halogen, dimmable CFL and good quality dimmable LEDs. So this is the product, JQP401W. This is the basic white plastic version. It is available in a range of colours like the other Varilight products. Okay, so you've got, just to summarise there, the bits and pieces. Well-known UK manufacturer like Varilight, saving energy when dimming, extending the life of the bulb, multi-load technology, nice and easy to install plug-and-play system, manufacturer's warranty, good instructions there to sort of help you with installing the dimmer switch. So the actual product itself, 2 screw fixings, dimmer knob there, on and off, like that. 2 screws into your pattress box here, in the back of the module there. Side profile. It's the part of the V-Pro range by Varilight. Just be careful when installing dimmer switches, just to make sure that you allow enough space to go into the pattress box, because you won't obviously see that when it's on the wall, but the rear part of it will be recessed in the pattress box, so you need at least 25mm, if not 35mm in some cases. And the more space you have, it allows better heat dissipation, which will give you better operating of the dimmer switch itself. The great things with these LED dimmer switches are this one has an operating load as low as 10 watts. Anything else, feel free to email or call us 0800 043 553.